Here's today's real consumer question from our real consumer. Talisha writes, my son recently turned 16 and got his driver's license. We contacted our insurance provider to add him to our plan, and we were shocked to see that his 6-month premium is $600 more than our 18-year-old daughter's insurance premium. His liability is $250 per month compared to her liability of $150 per month. We called our agent, and his excuse was because he's a teenage boy. How is that an excuse? Just because he's a male doesn't make him a terrible driver. And the fact that he is being punished because of his gender is absurd. Please help me understand this, and is there anything I can do about it? Well, Talisha, your son may be the safest driver in your family, but for insurance companies, their rates are determined strictly by statistics. In the United States, the fatal crash rate for every mile driven is 3 times higher for drivers ages 16 to 19 compared to the rate of drivers 20 and older. Ever since the Insurance Institute of Highway Safety started tracking accident statistics nearly 50 years ago, the numbers show that most fatal accidents involve male drivers and passengers. In 2019, 2 of every 3 teenagers killed in a car crash was male. Another sobering statistic that falls along gender lines, among the fatally injured teenage drivers in 2019, females were less likely than males to have high blood alcohol levels at the time of the accidents. It's purely a numbers game, and when the insurance companies see those stats, they are going to charge according to what history and the numbers are showing them. Be very leery of any insurance company that quotes you a rate significantly lower than their competitors. Chances are, if you're paying significantly less, you will not get as much coverage as you want. So what can you do? Honestly, not much on the outset, but as your son gets older and if he maintains a good driving record, his rates will eventually level out. And feel free to visit TrustDALE Insurance for a quote. We only represent carriers that provide real coverage.